we're talking about proxy scraper services. And I don't mean GitHub scripts or any free proxy lists. We're going to talk about commercial tools and platforms that deliver clean, working, and scalable proxy data, whether you need rotating IPs, regional targeting, or fresh lists on demand. These tools are going to be designed for real-world use cases such as data extraction, SEO tracking, ad verification, and cybersecurity. We'll take a look at the best options on the market right now and help you figure out which tool is the best for you. First up, we are going to look at Scraper AI. Scraper AI is not just a proxy list, it's a full scraping gateway that handles rotating residential and data center proxies for you. You just send your request to their API endpoint and it returns the rendered result. Behind the scenes, it rotates IPs, retries failed requests, and deals with captchas. You can scrape most public websites using a single API call. No need to manage proxy pools yourself. It's fast, affordable, and perfect for developers who want results without managing the infrastructure. You don't get access to raw proxy IPs, but for people who want scraping as a service with strong IP rotation and stealth features, it's a strong option. Let's talk about SERP API. This is a pretty good replacement if you were considering tools like Proxy curl or have used it in the past. SERP API is a specialized scraping API built specifically for search engines. It handles all the proxy rotation, headless browsers, and captcha solving automatically. You just need to send an API request, and it gives you back structured search data in JSON format. It supports Google, Bing, YouTube, DuckDuckGo, Amazon, eBay, and even Apple Maps. What makes it stand out is how clean and fast the data return is. You don't have to build or maintain scrapers. You don't even need to manage proxy pools. It's all done for you. Behind the scenes, they use a mix of residential and data center IPs. SERP API is ideal for SEO tools, price trackers, reputation monitoring, and any project where search accuracy and freshness really matter. Need a powerful commercial option? OxyLabs scraper APIs are hard to beat. They offer dedicated scraper APIs for e-commerce, SERPs, real estate, and even business directories. They aren't just proxies, they're full scraping services with built-in rendering, proxy rotation, retry logic, and headless browser support. They've also got access to one of the largest IP pools in the industry, so you get serious reliability. You don't need to manage proxy validation, cooldowns, or bans. OxyLabs handles all of that behind the scenes. You just send your query and get structured results. It's perfect for companies collecting competitive intelligence or market data at scale. Is Zyte's Smart Proxy Manager. It acts as a middleware layer between your scraper and your target site. Zyte handles the rotation, retries, and block management automatically. They use a mix of data center, residential, and mobile IPs. What's nice is the plug-and-play simplicity. You don't have to switch up your scraping logic, just route traffic through their endpoint and let them handle the proxy orchestration. They also offer real-time usage stats and per-request success tracking, which helps when optimizing at scale. It's a great choice for developers who already have scrapers built but want a smarter way to manage IPs without constantly getting blocked. They even have a tutorial for some of the basic functions they offer. Commercial alternative for geo-targeted proxy access is Netnut. Unlike peer-to-peer residential networks, Netnut can use static residential IPs sourced directly from ISPs. That gives you the speed of a data center proxy with the location trust and anonymity of a residential IP. This is a big win for use cases like ad verification, brand protection, and compliance testing. Their IPs are highly stable and don't rotate unless you want them to. You can also target by country, city, or ASN, making it great for verifying geo-specific experiences on websites or platforms. It's not the cheapest option out there, but for use cases where location consistency and low detection risk matter, Netnut is one of the strongest players in the market. Now, let's talk about the provider that offers everything you'd want from a proxy scraper platform, and that's BrightData. BrightData combines the power of residential, data center, ISP, and mobile IPs with the flexibility of full scraping infrastructure. You can use their network via traditional proxy ports, like raw IPs, their web unlocker, which bypasses captchas and blocks, or their data collector, which lets you visually build scrapers without writing a line of code. You can target by country, city, ASN, carrier, or even session type. You get automatic retries, real-time analytics, full control over your traffic, and 24/7 support. Everything is sourced ethically and legally compliant, so your business is protected. BrightData is trusted by Fortune 500s, startups, and research institutions alike, because it's not just about proxies. It's about getting the data cleanly, and reliably. If you're just starting out or working on smaller scale scraping, there are a couple of lighter tools worth looking at. ScrapeOps, for example, is a developer tool that helps you manage multiple proxy providers, scrapers, and error tracking all in one place. It's not a proxy service itself, but it helps you unify and optimize proxy performance across any stack. Great for indie developers. Next, we have Crawlbase. This is another low-friction option. It offers simple endpoints for web scraping with built-in IP rotation. It's good for low-volume tasks, like scraping blogs, forums, or tracking charges to a specific set of URLs. Neither of these tools is built for enterprise-level scale, but if you're bootstrapping or need something quick and simple, they'll get the job done. It's the bottom line. There are plenty of tools out there that offer parts of the solution. Some help you rotate IPs, others give you pre-built scrapers, and a few just make it easier to manage scraped data. But if you're trying to build anything serious, whether it's price monitoring, lead generation, search intelligence, or web research, BrightData gives you the full stack: IPs, infrastructure, and automation tools. No random bans, no expired lists, no try again later error messages. It's not the cheapest option, but it's the one that saves you the most time, delivers the best results, and provides the most resources for those that need to learn the platform. To wrap it up, if you're looking for proxy scrapers that actually work, go beyond the free GitHub scripts and consider services like SERP API, OxyLabs, and Zyte. But if you want the full package, such as stable IPs, scraper tools, global targeting, and unmatched compliance and support, BrightData is the platform that's built to grow with you.